Jimny Rhino is real, and it's here. Honestly, this might be one of the weirdest factory special editions we've seen in Australia for a while. Mechanically, nothing has changed. Underneath, this is still just a standard Jimny XL. Same 1.5 litre naturally aspirated engine, same ladder frame chassis, same old school four-wheel drive setup, and yes, it still drives exactly like a Jimny. But the whole point of the Rhino is the styling, and I actually think Suzuki has nailed it. The colour's called Kinetic Yellow, paired with a black roof, and this is the first time we've seen it on the 5-door Jimny XL in Australia. Then you start noticing all the Rhino-specific details. You've got these huge side decals with the charging Rhino graphic and the Japanese writing at the back that literally translates to Rhino. There's also this heritage-style front grille, satin silver trim, mud flaps, special Rhino badging, and these 15-inch Shuriken-style alloy wheels which honestly suit the car really well. Inside is where it gets even more random. There's yellow stitching throughout the cabin, Rhino logos on the door handles, ambient lighting in the footwells, and upgraded Pioneer speakers. Manual versions also get this retro-style gear knob, which is a really cool touch. But the funniest part of this whole car is probably the delivery pack. Because Suzuki doesn't just give you the car, you also get a cooler box, lantern, thermos, Bluetooth speaker, blanket, chocolates, a bucket hat, and a bunch of other accessories that feel like they were picked by someone planning a camping trip. And honestly, it kind of works. This thing has personality. Now obviously, whether it's worth the extra money over a standard Jimny XL is going to depend on how much you care about exclusivity and styling. Because again, it doesn't drive differently. It's still slow, it still feels narrow and upright, it still moves around a bit on the road, and it still feels more like a tiny off-roader than a normal SUV. But that's also why people love Jimnys in the first place. The Rhino just leans harder into the fun side of it. Pricing starts at $44,990 before on-roads for the manual, with the automatic sitting higher again. And Suzuki says numbers are limited. Honestly, I think this thing is ridiculous, but in a good way. Let me know what you think of the Jimny Rhino in the comments.